Ooh yeah, feeling your vibes. Can I feel your vibe, baby? Yeah. Let me catch your vibe.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another hair review. So today I'll be collaborating with Beauty Forever. This is the first time I'm working with this company. However, I've heard a lot of positive feedback about this company, so I'm really excited to try out their unit. So they sent me this 26-inch water wave headband wig, and you guys can see how beautiful these curls are. So it's a headband wig, guys. You already know the drill. It's real simple to put on. All you have to do is slick down your edges if you want to show them, and then put it on. So I'm gonna do just that. So I'm gonna use some of my wet line gel and just apply that to my hair. I love this already. If you guys been following me, y'all know that water wave is my favorite curly texture. This is beautiful. Okay, let me go ahead and try a headband on. Let's see what we're gonna do. I don't ever wear anything that's gonna match my headbands. Let's go with this one. This one is pretty. So as you guys know, this is all it takes to install this unit. So you're technically ready to head out the door. But I'm gonna go ahead and try a couple of hairstyles real quick, just to give you guys an idea of how you can style it. This is one of my favorite styles because it's simple but cute. Okay, let me go ahead and try on another headband. Next, I'm gonna try on one of my headbands that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna try and put this up in a high pony because that's my favorite. I'm gonna go take this and just wrap this into a messy bun. Okay, dolls, let me get into the details of this unit. As I mentioned, this wig is from Beauty Forever, and this is their water wave texture in 26 inches. Now, you guys know I like to review my headband wigs based on the Faithfully rating system, and that covers 5 categories. That's fit, price, smell, shedding, or tangling. So let's get into the fit. The fit of this wig is kind of different. Most of the headband wigs I use typically have 3 combs in the front and 1 or 2 in the back. This one just have 2 combs, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. It is pretty comfortable. However, I would say that I do wish that there was some type of comb placements on the sides, and that's actually across the board for all the headband wigs. I don't think they really took into consideration that people like to put it up in a ponytail, and if they can add the combs on the sides, that would make these headband wigs so much better because it will prevent the sides from pulling out when you try to do like a high pony. But other than that, this headband wig fits very comfortable. My head size is a 22 inch, and I do believe there is some room left in the back. So if your head is slightly bigger than a 22 inch, this should fit you comfortably as well. Next, I'm gonna go on to smell. This unit, fortunately, did not have any smell to it. So I'm happy to report that. Just double checking. So I'm happy to report that this unit doesn't have any smell whatsoever. Next, we're gonna go on to shedding and tangling. Now, I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, nothing major, just a few strands. I didn't really experience any tangling. However, it is a water wave, which is a processed texture. So I would expect that you would have some type of tangling when manipulating the hair, as that's pretty common when you're dealing with curly or textured hair. Now, finally, I want to get into the price. And that's one of the main things about this unit is that it's priced super affordable. Now, I do have a 26 inch, so you know that's like, I think the longest length this comes in. So this is going to be a lot more expensive. But if you don't want it this long, their units start at $58, and that's for a 12 inch, which is a pretty decent length. So $58 for a 12 inch, that is not bad at all. Beauty Forever has pretty good reviews. I haven't really heard any bad things about this company. So I would think that you should be able to purchase this in confidence. So dolls, that's my review using my Faithfully Asia rating scale. You guys gotta let me know, do y'all appreciate this rating scale? If there's anything you want me to add, go ahead and let me know and leave your comments in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and help me name this unit. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.